this is interesting how something in journalism and a story can sort of turn into a song. So this song is called Too Many Cooks in the Kitchen. I was interviewing an older African American lady and talking about this project that I'm doing for the film and for the story that inspired the film. And she, after we had shut the recorder off and we were sitting there talking and having a glass of lemonade, and she said, "Mr. Bryan, you know what's wrong with the world?" And I said, "Please tell me." And she said, "There's too many cooks in the kitchen, and they're all dishing up a little something that they say is going to feed your soul." And I thought, I agree with that, and I will, I'm going to go home and write a song about it. So that's what I did. Now I said there's too many cooks in the kitchen, dishing up a little something, say gon' feed your soul, baby. There's too many folks sit around bitching, dissing on them lies that they've been told. Oh baby, you say I ain't no gentleman, you gotta admit, little girl, that you ain't no lady. You say that I'm two different people, even your mama says that you're 50 shades of crazy. But you can't be the victim when you're the one holding the gun. You can't go crying, baby, not saying that you're lonely when you go running from everyone. And I said there's too many cooks in the kitchen, dishing up a little something, say gon' feed your soul, baby. There's too many folks sit around bitching, dissing on them lies that they've been told. No, baby, now life keeps flying by at a blinding pace, and you're stuck in traffic and you're always running late. That's why I got no time for the politics you're pitching, 'cause honestly your truth is nothing more than blessed fiction. But oh, this world needs much more than a Coke and hammer and nails to fix all that is broke. Do you treat your mama like you treat your country? It ain't hard to gamble with other people's money. And I said there's too many cooks in the kitchen, dishing up a little something, say gon' feed your soul, baby. There's too many folks sit around bitching, dissing on them lies that they've been told. You got to use it up, but don't wear it out, baby. Just make do or do without. Just a pinch now and a turn, honey, stir it up and don't let it burn. Use it up but don't wear it out, baby, shut it from that mountaintop. You want that recipe? Mama said that secret's in the little things, but I said forever, it's a fickle thing. Some people say that it's a mortgage, some say it's a diamond ring. And I said, now maybe it's a struggle and the weight of everything. Baby, maybe we'll get together, but darling, now we could sing. And I said there's too many cooks in the kitchen, dissing up a little something, say gon' feed your soul, baby. There's too many folks sit around bitching, dissing on them lies that they've been, dissing on them lies that they've been, dissing on them lies that they've been told.